Hey guys, it's Becky. It is a new month and time for more Amazon products that I am picking up and going to show you guys. So I've done this video in February and March and I believe April. So I thought I would show you what I have gotten so far from Amazon. So first thing is this glass pitcher with a lid. I don't drink that much caffeine, but I am trying to cut it out completely. If you know me at all, you know that my guilty pleasure at lunchtime is Panera, and they have awesome sweet tea, but it's got caffeine in it. So I'm toying around with the idea of making my own decaf tea at home, keeping it in the refrigerator, and then just buying my food at Panera and not, because we bring it home usually. We don't really go in to eat there anymore. No particular reason. It's just kind of the habit that we got into during quarantine, and we never really got out of it. So I picked this up on Amazon and it got really good reviews. I like that it's really slim and I think it holds 64 ounces if I remember right. I don't know for sure. But whatever 1.95 quarts is, that's math and I don't know. But it seemed really nice and I liked that it was slim so it wouldn't take up much room in the refrigerator. So I got that. I also got this Neutrogena makeup remover melting balm. This stuff is amazing. I try really hard not to pull on my eyes when I'm taking my makeup off because obviously over time that makes wrinkles and it irritates my eyelids. And so I was trying to find a replacement for my Neutrogena hydrating eye makeup removing lotion, which I love, but they discontinued it. So when I saw that they made a melting balm, I was really excited because it got really good reviews and for the right reason, because it's really, really good. Now you just have to make sure though, I learned this very quickly, that a little bit goes a long way. So it's a solid like this. I assume if it gets too hot, it would become a little bit of a liquid because it says in the bottom to not let it get too hot. So hopefully it'll be okay keeping it in the bathroom. I mean, obviously, isn't that where people keep stuff like this? But anyway, when I put too much, it made my eyes a little bit blurry in the beginning until like I blinked it away. But so I learned quickly, just use a little tiny bit and it takes your makeup off so well and it feels really good and moisturizing on your eyes. So love that. And then for right now, it's an upcoming trip to Disney. I don't know what that is. But by the time you see this, we'll be back. But I picked up a few more things for the trip. The first two things were for the girls. I used to pack them this super elaborate car bag because we drive and it's like a 13-hour drive, and I would just fill it with all this new stuff and just like totally overwhelm them with all this stuff. I guess I was terrified they were going to get bored. And over the last couple years, I've learned that they like to bring a lot of the stuff that they already know they like, and then I'll just put a few fun things in, just to entertain them. So I did show a different type of fidget cube a couple months ago in an Amazon haul. I don't remember what it's called, but the girls really like tactile fidgety things. I think most people do. My oldest especially, because she does have a little bit of she's a nervous traveler, I guess I'll say. And so she actually saw this on Amazon and was intrigued by like just these little things you can kind of like squeeze and move around. She just really does not like being in the car for a very long time. So she had seen this already and she was interested in this. So I got that for her. And so for my youngest, I remember one year, years ago, I had given her a silly putty and she played with that thing the entire way. If she wasn't eating or sleeping, she was playing with her silly putty. So this was really neat, I thought, because it is a 5-pack, and it was literally like $6. And it comes with yellow, green, what does this say? I can't tell what color that is. Well, it's metallic, glow, super brights, and then the original. So that's the one that she had all those years ago. So for $6, I thought that was really fun and something that she could share with her sister. And then also, I have to have some type of noise at night when I'm sleeping, and I have a sound machine in my bedroom, but it's big and I didn't really want to take something that big. So this got really good reviews, and obviously it's smaller than the one that I have. So I'm going to charge it and make sure that the noise doesn't annoy me, because I'm very particular. If I can hear the sound loop and start over, that drives me insane. So that'll be counterproductive for me to be able to sleep. But this will be really helpful to help us sleep and also block out a little bit of the noise that sometimes you get in a hotel, people slamming doors and kids making noise and stuff like that. So don't know yet if I'm going to like it, but the concept of it is really neat. And I think if you have any trips coming up, whether you have babies or kids or just for yourself, I think it definitely helps to have something like this in the hotel to kind of block out a little bit of noise and give you a little bit of comfort. So that's what I have picked up so far. I do have some new shoes that I'm also getting. I mean, I was going to get them, I guess, anyway, eventually. But I did go ahead and get some new shoes before the trip, and I will try to remember to show you guys that. And I also got a camera bag that I left downstairs, so I'll show you that the next time I pick up the camera to show you anything else that comes in. Okay, mini review of this sound machine. I really love it. It's only got 3 sounds, but I did use it last night here at home just to make sure that I liked the noise and it didn't bother me or anything, and I loved it. So charging it right now so that I can pack it later today. We're actually leaving town tomorrow for Disney, so that will be perfect. And then I was also going to show you the new shoes that I got. My youngest daughter got a pair and I got a pair. I have the last few times used the Ghost. I've also used Adrenaline, Ravenna, and there was another one that I used, I think, before. I really love Brooks. They are, in my opinion, the best shoe that there is. Even when I was running, well, I started wearing them when I was running, but I don't run anymore, and I just continue to wear them because they're awesome. And I think if you can, shoes are one of the things that you should get a really good pair of for yourself and for your kids, because your feet affect so much of your body. And if you have supportive shoes and shoes that are right for your foot and everything that you need, whether you pronate or you supinate or you have a neutral step, whatever the situation, Brooks has a shoe for you. And I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I just got done exercising, but I love these. I got the Ghost 14 and she got the Adrenaline GTS. And she needs the support, and mine are, I think they're neutral, because I don't need extra arch support, just normal arch support. So that is what I was telling you I was going to show you when I was talking about it yesterday. That's the mini review of the sound machine, and then I was going to show you the shoes that I got. Okay, I also got a camera bag. I don't know, I'm so conflicted. I've used my phone to record before, and I've used cameras and camcorders to record before. But I really don't want to have my phone out all the time. And I know you need your phone a lot at Disney, but that'll be my husband. Like, he'll be the one doing all the fast pass, whatever it's called, stuff now. So I don't need that. I don't need my phone for that reason. So I thought I would bring my vlogging camera. I mean, obviously I'll have my phone if I change my mind, but I didn't have a bag to put it in when I wasn't using it. And this is just, I mean, I don't want to spend a lot of time talking about this because most people probably don't carry cameras anymore, but it does have a belt loop strap. And it also has a shoulder strap, which is what I would use because I don't wear belts. It's got a big compartment there and then a little compartment in the back for extra battery and memory card. So pretty straightforward and simple, but I did pick that up as well. Okay, last little haul for the month. I got some laundry bags because my girls, some of their things were getting torn up in the dryer. Seems like it's singling out their stuff, and I don't know why. And we have ruined several things by putting them in the dryer. So I got this laundry bag set. It's supposed to be 3 different sizes, I thought, but they all look exactly the same to me. But I don't know, it came with 3, so I'm gonna give that a whirl and hope that I will stop ruining some of their stuff by putting it in the dryer. I also got, for me, and I haven't tried it yet, obviously, the Bellway Super Fiber and Plant Protein. I was looking for an organic protein powder, and I've used Bellway before, I've used their fiber before, but this is their fiber and protein. So we will see how it goes. It's got 20 grams of protein, some different minerals and things, a little bit of fiber. So we'll see how it tastes. I don't know yet if I'm going to like it, but I thought I would give it a try. And then the last thing, I used to have a Clarisonic facial brush, and the company went out of business. So I couldn't get the refill heads anymore. It didn't occur to me until recently that some company probably makes knockoff replacement heads for Clarisonics, which turns out they do. So I got this 4-pack from Amazon. This is a sensitive pack, and I am going to be using these to see if I like it, how it compares to the Clarisonic and all that stuff. Side note, I've talked about this before. I also get the knockoff Sonic toothbrush replacement heads from Amazon. I've gotten those more times than I can count. They work amazingly well. They're a lot cheaper than buying the Sonicare brand replacement brush heads, and so I highly recommend checking into that. If you have a Sonic toothbrush, I can pretty much guarantee you there's going to be a knockoff brush head on Amazon that's just as good as the name brand, so highly recommend that. So that is finishing up my haul for the month of May. For me, I didn't have as much stuff as I usually do, but I was gone for a week. And then when we got back, 3 of us got sick. And so I wasn't really shopping or doing anything for like a week and a half. So not as much stuff as usual, but definitely some good stuff. And I will also link my previous Amazon hauls. That way, if you want to go back and see what I got in February or March or April, I'll link that for you. I will also link everything I showed in today's video in the description box. If you like these Amazon monthly hauls, make sure you let me know in the comments so that I know to do more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.